Amapantsula is the most resilient subculture esinayo la in the country. So South Africa has multiple cultures, main cultures and sub-cultures. One of the few main cultures is culture yamaZulu, culture yamaXhosa, culture yamaNdebele, culture yamaPedi, culture yamaTswana, culture yamaTsonga, culture yamaVenda, etc. We have multiple main cultures. Despite our main cultures now, we also have sub-cultures such as amaKulane, amagcokama, izikhothane, the culture of amapiano, and the most resilient, a culture of ubupantsula. So ubupantsula, or the culture of isipantsula, began in the late 1950s or the early 1960s. It began as a form of resilience against the regime. Ukuthi labantu laba who were first amapantsula used to display political messages through their dance. You understand? Nakhona it was influenced by an American mafia known as the Americanos ngendlela abagqoka ngayo. So ukuze isipantsula to be considered a culture, what is a culture? So a culture is a shared system of beliefs, customs, and a way of doing things, which is very important to a group, in which they consider as a way of life. You understand? So isipantsula is a way of life. Pantsula for life. So what are the characteristics of isipantsula? So isipantsula is characterized by two main things, and the khona history, mara history is a subcategory. So the first one is dance, isipantsula. So the dance of isipantsula nayo falls under different categories. Khona isikhanda, khona isipharaphara, and khona skeleton sipantsula, and there are multiple other forms of isipantsula as a dance. And then the second one is ukugqoka, the fashion. So isipantsula is dance and fashion. So the fashion part is indlela abagqoka ngayo. So it's categorized by ama-Dickies, ama-DMD, uMathanda Khishini, uMdantsane, iNavigair, iStragel, and i-All-Star, particularly i-All-Star emhlophe. You understand? So isipantsula is categorized by fashion and dance. Then the subcategory is language, in which isicamtho, bayibiza ngesicamtho or itsotsitaal, but isicamtho, language ngithi, is a subcategory because ayikho like universal isicamtho, like amapantsula ase-Eastern Cape speak differently compared to amapantsula ase-Gauteng. Namapantsula ase-Gauteng speak differently compared to amapantsula maybe e-Gauteng mara eSoweto or e-Gauteng Orange Farm. You understand? So language now is part of isipantsula mara is a subcategory of isipantsula. So upantsula uyibona ngokugqoka, isipantsula uyibona ngokujiva, and ipantsula uyibona ngendlela esiphatha ngayo. So what are the principles of ubupantsula? So the first principle of ubupantsula is discipline. Like amapantsula are disciplined. If uyipantsula, you are disciplined. The second principle of isipantsula is neatness. Is to be neat. Njengepantsula, amapantsula are neat, amapantsula are disciplined, amapantsula are neat. And the third principle of ubupantsula is to fight gangsterism. So there's a misconception ukuthi amapantsula are gangsters. Amapantsula are gangsters because baphatha amakapere, which is false. So this misconception comes from this idea of a characteristics of ubupantsula, which is fashion. So kumapantsula khona amapantsula, then khona nama-vandal. Mara ama-vandal yazisho ukuthi vandal from the word vandalize. So ama-vandal, yes, bagqoka njengamapantsula because ubupantsula nabo is a sign of fashion. One of the main characteristics of ubupantsula is fashion. But ama-vandals are not amapantsula because the principles they do, or indlela they carry themselves, like they don't push discipline, don't push neatness, nor do they push fighting gangsterism. Instead, they become gangsters. So ama-vandal are not amapantsula. They are only pantsulas in the sense of fashion. Because ubupantsula vele is part of fashion, is part of ubupantsula. You understand? So amapantsula has been resilient for years and years and years. More than 50 years amapantsula have been around. You understand? And namanje they're still resilient. So the music categorizer ubupantsula was firstly iphathaphatha. Was firstly iphathaphatha, then it is categorized by amapiano. Then it evolved, which it was also categorized, or it was only categorized by ikasi rap, you understand? So it was iphathaphatha, ikwaito, it's amapiano. I made a mistake. Ikwaito, not amapiano. Ikwaito. You understand? It's pata, it's kwaito, and ikasi rap. You understand? Those are the main categories which fall under the music genre of amapantsula. You understand? So, what do you think about amapantsula and this resilient culture? The culture in Nazi for hundreds of years. The culture in Nazi. What do you think about your culture? What do you think about Vandal tainting the reputation of amapantsula? And what do you think should be done about labantu laba who taint reputation of amapantsula? And what do you think about nje amapantsula nje as a whole?